What's up, everybody? It's Apartment Safety Guru. Nobody wants to think about being a victim of theft or break-ins, right? But the reality is, it happens. That's why in this video we're diving deep into apartment security, specifically the common mistakes I see people making that leave their homes vulnerable. We'll cover everything from securing your entry points to the importance of good lighting, so you can have peace of mind knowing you've taken the right steps to protect yourself and your belongings. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about your entry points. This means your front door, back door, sliding doors, windows, basically any way someone could potentially get in. Start with your doors. Are they solid core or flimsy? If you can practically push your finger through them, it might be time for an upgrade. And don't forget about the door frame itself. Make sure it's strong and the strike plate is secured with long, sturdy screws. Next up, windows. Make sure your windows lock securely and consider adding additional security measures like window bars or security film, especially for ground floor apartments. Stay vigilant, be proactive, and let's move on to our next crucial tip. Now let's talk about locks. You know those little knobs you twist to lock your door? Yeah, those are not enough. I'm talking about deadbolts. A deadbolt is a separate lock that doesn't have a spring mechanism, making it much harder to pick or force open. Installing a deadbolt is usually a pretty simple DIY project, or you can hire a handyman to do it for you. It's a small investment that can make a huge difference in your apartment's security. Upgrade to a deadbolt, sleep soundly knowing you've got that extra layer of protection. Chapter 3. The Hidden Key Conundrum. I get it, we've all been there. Locking yourself out is a pain, but hiding a spare key under the mat, in the planter, or above the door frame, that's like handing a burglar a welcome mat and a set of keys to your place. Instead of tempting fate, think of safer alternatives. Give a spare key to a trusted neighbor, friend or family member who lives nearby, or consider investing in a lockbox or a keypad lock that allows you to grant temporary access codes. Ditch the hidden key habit and opt for a more secure solution. Chapter 4. See and be seen. Peepholes and security cameras. You know that feeling when someone knocks on your door and you have no idea who's on the other side? That's where peepholes come in. A peephole lets you see who's there without opening your door, giving you that extra layer of security and peace of mind. But we can take it a step further with technology. Home security cameras are more affordable and accessible than ever. Even a simple doorbell camera can deter potential intruders and provide valuable evidence if something were to happen. Speaking of proactive, let's talk about lighting. Chapter 5. Light up your world and deter crime. Ever notice how criminals love to operate in the shadows? That's because darkness is their friend. Good lighting is like having a security guard on duty 24/7. It makes it harder for potential intruders to sneak around unnoticed and makes your apartment less appealing as a target. Install motion sensor lights near entry points, keep your porch light on at night, and consider adding some outdoor lighting around your apartment if possible. Trust me, a little light can go a long way in deterring unwanted visitors. Stay safe, stay secure. We've covered a lot of ground today, from securing your entry points and using deadbolt locks to the importance of good lighting and avoiding hidden spare key traps. Remember, it's the small things that make a big difference when it comes to your safety and peace of mind. I encourage you to implement these tips and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on personal finance, real estate, and of course apartment living. Stay safe out there.